No, Cole, don't go head first. Feet first, please. Feet first. Cole. Feet first. You okay? You spilled milk all over the floor. Cole, feet first. Cole. Cole. Good boy. Feet first. No. Feet first. There, see? No, you're not climbing on there with the Elmo chair. Mmm. Cheddar bunnies all crunched up. Yeah, oh, that's the milk that you spilled. What do you think about that? Should we clean it up? Yeah, maybe we'll clean it up. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.